This way?
Excuse me.
The Sonic and the Navigator. Request everyone to come a little bit ahead. Near our Phoenix Experience Road, we have the lovely and understanding Amira that's door over here. Can we have a round of applause for her, please? Come on, everyone. Hi, Amira, how are you? We are having a wonderful and a hectic day. We are styling all the hairs here in the Oberoi Mall. So you, yeah,
That's so cool. I love it. I love shopping and getting my hair done.
definitely. You are looking very cute. Who has styled your hair?
So it was my hairstylist and me and maybe a little bit of Philips.
Okay. So you use Philips. Tell us about your experience.
So I actually have the same hair dryer. I've been using it for over 7 years now. It's my staple. I carry it with me everywhere. I've used Philips's brush. I've used their straightener. I've used basically anything that Philips has made. I have used because their technology is great and it's actually the one brand that doesn't really damage my hair. So for me, it's very important because as girls we deal with damage every single day, and I need my hair styled nicely because sometimes it goes very frizzy. So I have to say Philips' products that way have actually reduced the frizz in my hair, and my damage is barely anything now. So
Just last part.
so basically using Philips' products has actually caused less damage to my hair, and my hair has become hydrated and frizz-free. So I'm very happy about that.
Philips one. So we are very concerned about the damage that it causes, and we have also upgraded the technology. So do you know about what technology we have used now?
Tell me more.
So the name of the technology is Moisture Rich Iron Technology. Can you think of anything that comes to Moisture Rich Iron Technology? Come on, just try. I'll explain you, don't worry.
I'm just guessing that it keeps the hair hydrated because of the moisture. Okay, is that right?
That's right. I'm gonna tell you. So the air that the hair dryer throws, it's gonna be containing so many water molecules of ions. Okay. So every time you're drying your hair, you're actually hydrating it as well. Drying and hydrating it as well. So what do you think about that?
I think that's every girl's dream. No, but I think that's amazing technology, and a big thank you to Philips for that, because I think, yeah, that's one thing all girls are scared of, hair damage. So if they found a way to control it, then I think that's going to be one of the best things of this year.
A hair dryer while using it. What are the main concerns that really bother you?
Breakage, frizz, and smoothness.
Can we talk about convenience and the time?
Also, yes, of course, it has to be lightweight because I'm somebody who travels a lot for work. So I definitely like something that can fit in a small suitcase, or something that's even better that would fit in my handbag. I love it.
So all the girls who are looking for a pink hair dryer, you don't have to wait anymore because Philips is here with it. With the least damage, least time to dry your hair. We have used a new machine called a brushless power DC motor. So what's the time that it takes for you to dry your hair?
At least 30 minutes. At least.
30 minutes? Really? So now I'm going to tell you that our new hair dryer is going to do it in 3 minutes. Really?
Yeah, I have to see this.
So which product do you want to try first? The hair dryer or the styler?
Since we were talking about the hair dryer, let's
Yeah.
start with the hair dryer and then we can move on to the style.
Definitely, you are going to love it because you are twinning with it actually. everyone present around, especially the girls, this is a very special moment because along with our newest product, we have some exciting gifts for all the girls. So do not miss. All you have to do is click some amazing pictures with Amira, of course, we are going to give you the time, and Amira and Chroma. You have to tag these 3 pages and we have a short gift for all of you.
Oh my god, see this. It's so smooth.
You had wavy hair before and now it's straight.
And now it's straight.
Yes.
Wow.
What do you think about the smoothness?
I love it. I can actually, if you feel it also, you can see there's no.
I'm going to repeat myself. Everyone present here at Oberoi Mall, I request you all to please come down to the ground floor where we are having an amazing session with Amira Dastoor. You all do not miss this opportunity. For everyone present around, I'm going to make a special announcement. Please click as many pictures as you can and tag them on Instagram and Facebook pages. We are going to give you a short gifts. So the people that you have to tag is first Philips ka Instagram page, then we have Chroma का Instagram page and then of course Amira's Instagram page. ये 3 pages आप tag कीजिए and you can get the chance to get amazing gifts.
It's curly.
It's looking so pretty.
It's so nice and it's so smooth. That big, proper, typical Indian frizzy hair. And yeah, this is just, it feels so nice. And like I've already straightened it today. Then we styled it again. So the fact that it's not frizzy, there's no breakage, to me that's amazing.
So what we're gonna do is, so let's लीजिए पहले एक बार सुन लीजिए. All you have to do is click a picture, tag our Philips page, Amira's page, then we have Oberoi and Chroma's page. ये और अपनी स्टोरीज हमें दिखाइए. जिनकी भी स्टोरीज हमें अच्छी लगेगी हम उनको गिफ्ट देंगे. So let's start with the picture session. Everybody is dying to have. Come on, जिनको भी निकालना है चांस अभी है. Philips, Amira और Chroma के पेज.